Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to scan a flash drive for errors. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So go ahead and open up File Explorer if you have a taskbar shortcut for it. Otherwise, you can search for it using the magnifier search icon on your taskbar. And you want to select this PC on the left side. Right click on whatever your flash drive is. It may not say flash drive in your case, but in our case it does. And go ahead and right click on that and select properties. Select the tools tab, and then underneath error checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Go ahead and select check. So go ahead and select scan drive. It might say if it has detected anything or not, and that's about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.